Hi, I'm Vanessa. I'm starting my PhD project in Ulm and I came to Berlin for the workshop about barcoding in Galaxy. It was really interesting for me to get to know the protocols of barcoding and to get to know the platform, and the workshop was really, really good.
Hi, I'm Sai. I'm a PhD student at IGP and I work with metagenomics of microorganisms in the Oder River. And I came to this workshop at BGE and it was about nanopore sequencing. And I think it was well organized and I learned a lot from the workshop. And knowing the basics about how it works out, identified some species, and actually analyzing the data was really cool. And I look forward to collaborating with them. And I'm sure I would recommend taking this workshop for whoever wants to.
Hi, my name is Vivian. I work at the Museum for Naturkunde and I really enjoyed the BGE workshop that was conducted here. It was my first time trying out the Galaxy website and I find that it's really impressive.
Hello, I'm Joan Colaza. I'm a PhD student at the Museum for Naturkunde. I usually work with a full genome and I didn't know everything that I needed to know, so that's why I came to the workshop. And it actually helped me a lot. I used Galaxy, which allows us to create full pipelines, which is super interesting and so powerful, and it really excited me. So I'm really looking forward to work with this new tool.